In today's video, we'll go over the process of adding forms to an e-file session and checking them out in Yearli Premier. From the home screen, press the Forms button at the top of the page. This will display forms that are completed. To file all of the forms for the selected pair, click on the checkbox to the left of their name. To file a select amount of returns, click on the Forms List text in blue to the right of the pair. This will allow you to uncheck recipients who you do not want to submit at this time. The sample pair has a 1 of 2 in the form selected. If submitted, only one form would start the e-file process. To edit the other form and make sure it is ready, this will display the recipients and their status. Press Edit next to the recipient you wish to edit. It is required to press Save if you made any changes to your form selections. Otherwise, any changes made will not take effect. With the pair selected, the Start eFile button will be in blue. Press this to start the eFile process. The next step is the filing recommendations. This will display what service the forms will receive along with the number of forms. To opt out of the service, press the blue check mark. This will update the icon to a white X. On the eFile recommendations screen, you can press View Detail under each service. This will display what recipients will be sent where. This would be applicable to state filing and recipient reporting as well. Under Recipient Reporting is the Edit Online Retrieval Emails button. Clicking this will allow you to enter the recipient's email address for them to receive an online form retrieval email once the forms are submitted. When ready, press Next. This will take us to the Work Needed section. You'll be able to see and complete any transmittals in this section. Pressing the Edit button to the right of the status will allow the user to complete the form. Once the form has the required information entered, users can press Save and then Back. The form will now show as complete. The blue Next button will now be available to click. This will move the forms into the Final Review section. The Final Review section will display the services selected for the forms along with the cost. Preview forms along with downloading the summary and detail report can be done from this screen as well. On the Final Review screen, when submitting multiple pairs at once, users can generate the reports for every pair in the batch instead of generating reports one pair at a time. When ready, press the blue Add to Cart button. After pressing Add to Cart, the cart will display information such as the payment method, payment summary, and order summary. The payment method section will allow the user to select a credit card if it is entered into the database already. Pressing the blue Add a Card button will allow the user to add a new credit card. The user can also edit or delete the card information from this screen. The order summary will display the pair name and form types that are being filed along with the services selected. To the right, you will see the price along with the Remove button. The Remove buttons will remove the forms from the cart. If the user wants all of the forms removed from the cart, the Remove All button can be selected. The Payment Summary section will display the subtotal, prepaid code, and allow users to enter the promo code if they have one. The blue Submit Your Order button can be pressed to submit your forms when ready. After pressing Submit Your Order, you will receive an order confirmation number. You can check the status of your forms under eFile History. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to file all of your forms.